Good morning, students. In the last class, we have completed the full adder using. The last class we have completed the full adder using NAND gates. NAND gates are completed. Today we have to continue with respect to the NOR gates. NOR gates. Already half adder using NOR gates. This is the half adder using the NOR gates. We know when we are drawing half adder using NOR gates, it requires 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 NOR gates. From the NOR gate 4, we are getting the carry output, that is here. The carry is generated, that is A, B for half adder. For half adder, the sum output is generated across the pin number 5. Here we have generated the A, XOR B. To realize the full adder using NOR gates, we have to take two half adders with respect to the NOR gate. This is first half adder. Same first half adder draw chesukonna. Half adder using NOR gate, half adder using NOR gate, and write the numbers of the NOR gates. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so will continue 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to connect this half adders to realize full adder using NOR gates. See, I am connecting the pin number 5. See, my inputs are AB now. For half adder AB, I am taking the pin number. The third input is C. We have A, B, C are the three inputs of the half adder. The first two inputs are connected to first half adder. That is, the output of first half adder A exclusive or B is connected to the pin number 6. The NOR gate connected. Similarly, the C in input is connected to the C in input is connected to this NOR gate 6. For NOR gate 6, one input is A exclusive or B. The second input is C in. I am considering the A exclusive or B as X now. In X and treat chesukonna. I am considering this as X. AX or B name తీసుకున్నాం. That is X. That is our inputs are X and C. The output of fourth NOR gate is AB. That is the carry of the half adder. Now, similarly, when X and C are the inputs as A and B for the half adders, here the output of fifth gate is A exclusive or B. Similarly, the same half adder, the input is X and C. The output of 10th gate will be equal to X exclusive or C. Exclusive or C. Consider A exclusive or B as X. X and C are the inputs for second half adder. The output of final 10th NOR gate will be equal to X exclusive or C. That is, this is my sum output. For sum equals to X and 10 A exclusive or B exclusive or C. Sum is generated. Now, we need to generate from the first stage output of the pin of NOR gate 11. That is, this is connected to the NOR gate 11. This is connected to the NOR gate 11. One of the input. First half adder carry fourth NOR gate nunchi generated. Similarly, second half adder ki carry another ninth gate nunchi generated. That is, from the ninth gate, I am taking one more connection to realize connection. Ela connect chesam. First half adder carry తీసుకొచ్చి 11th NOR gate connect chesam. Second half adder carry వచ్చి there is 9th NOR gate నుంచి తీసుకొచ్చి we connected to the 11. If you see the output of 11, the output at the pin number 11. Pin number 11 దగ్గర చెక్ చేయండి. And pin number 11 దగ్గర చెక్ చేయాలంటే I have to check the output across pin number 9. Output of NOR gate 9. That is NOR gate 9 దగ్గర చెక్ చేస్తాను. What is the NOR gate 9? If X and C in are the inputs, A, X exclusive or C in. If A and B are the inputs, the output of NOR gate 4 is A into B. Similarly, the output of NOR gate 9 will be X into Cin. That is the output of NOR gate 9 is X into Cin. Similarly, this is connected to the pin number 11. The NOR gate 11. Here the one input is AB and the second input is X into Cin. Therefore, NOR gate output NOR gate 11 output across the 11 will be equals to X plus Cin, sorry, AB plus X into Cin whole bar. NOR gate 11 here. This will be equals to AB plus X into Cin whole bar. This is the output across 11 now. Now this is connected to inverter. The NOR gate 12 is an inverter. This complement will be get cancelled. That is the output will be equals to AB plus X into Cin. This is your carry on. Last class verification. The output across 12 will be equals to double complement of AB plus X into Cin. That will be equals to AB plus X into Cin. We know AB plus X and A exclusive or B into Cin. Last class prove chesam. This will be equals to AB plus BCin plus ACin. Last class the derivation. You can check the derivation. You can check the derivation. In the last class, we have verified the derivation for the AB plus A exclusive or B into C. We have verified by using two methods now. Boolean loss the follow oxari kotachi by using missing literal. Missing literal in AB is C. C plus C bar in. We have taken that like that, and we have verified that this equation will be equals to AB plus BCN plus ACN. That will be equals to carry out. This is your and this is your sum. And that is your sum.
తినాలికి వెళ్ళా నా బ్యాగ్ లో పెట్టా బండి బయట పెట్టి బ్యాగ్ బయట పెట్టి తినాలి చూద్దామని బ్యాగ్ లో ఉన్న ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ టంక్ లైనర్ బస్ వాడేవో మొత్తం ఎత్తుకెళ్ళాడు టంక్ లైనర్ కూడా తీసుకెళ్ళాడు
Realization of full adder using NOR gates is complete. That is, we have verified the full adder operation. We have verified the full adder using basic gates. We have verified the full adder using XOR gates. We have verified the full adder using two half adders. After that, we have verified the full adder using NAND gates. And the last one, we have verified the full adder using NOR gates. Okay. Note this now. We'll continue with the full subtractor. Full subtractor. Full subtractor. What is the total number of gates now? To realize full adder using NOR gates, it requires 12 gates. To realize full adder using NAND gates, it requires 9 gates. To realize full adder using NAND gates, it requires total number of gates of 9. Using NOR gates, it requires 12. It requires 12. From this point, you can identify when a circuit is built with respect to the NAND gates is faster than NOR gates now. In generally, we can say that NAND gates are faster than NOR gates now. And NOR gates can now NAND gates faster in the country. They can realize very fast, and they can the speed of operation of NAND gates is less. The speed of operation of NAND gates is greater than NOR gates. Simply full adder check చేసుకున్నా in full adder it requires 12 number of NOR gates to realize full adder. To realize using NAND gates it requires only 9 gates. Next we are going to see full subtractor. Half subtractor verify చేస్తున్నాను. Half subtractor means it is subtracting two 1-bit numbers. Similarly half adder అంటే ఏం చెప్పాను, it is addition of two 1-bit numbers without carry. Full adder అంటే ఏం చెప్పాను, full adder is a addition of two 1-bit numbers with carry in, C in carry in తీసుకొని చేస్తున్నాను. Similarly full subtractor it is performing the subtraction of two binary bits by considering the previous stage borrow. Previous stage borrow అంటే previous గా ఏదైనా borrow ఉందా అనేది వెరిఫై చేసుకుంటూ చేస్తాం. Okay, the full subtractor we are taking the 3 pins A, B, C. C అంటే ఏం జనరల్ borrow in అని రాస్తారు. C can be written as borrow in, B in అని చెప్తారు. కన్వీనియన్స్ కోసం జస్ట్ B కి దీన్ని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు, C అని రాసేస్తాను. అండ్ సిమిలర్లీ ద అవుట్పుట్ సబ్ట్రాక్టర్ కి అవుట్పుట్స్ వస్తాయని డిఫరెన్స్ we call this as D, capital D తో ఇండికేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. అండ్ బారో we are indicating with a BA, borrow B suffix A, BA కింద ఇండికేట్ చేస్తాను. Indicating with B A, borrow. Now all the combinations I am writing 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0. Last one is 1 1 1. Okay, now we have to perform the difference. Difference means A minus B minus C, A minus B minus C. Okay, now verify now. A 0 minus 0 minus 0, the difference is
Sir,
0. చెప్పండి.
బ్లర్ గా ఉంది సార్, బోర్డు అంతా క్లారిటీ కనబడట్లేదు సార్ అసలు.
కనిపించట్లేదు. 1 minute చెక్ చేస్తాను. Now we are finding the difference in borrow now. A minus B minus C, 0 minus 0 minus 0, the difference is 0. There is no requirement of borrow, therefore it is also 0. Next we will complete only with borrow 0 and borrow condition lane check chestam. See, 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 ante we have to take a borrow and the difference is 1. 1 minus 1 చెప్పాలను డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమవుతుంది 1 1. ఎలాంటి డౌట్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి. I am subtracting 0 minus 0, it is 0 of these 2 bits. 0 minus 1, to perform this I have to set borrow equals to 1. borrow and set చేశాను ఇక్కడ. borrow equals to 1 అంటే it is 1 0. 1 0 అంటే 2 minus 1 is 1, therefore difference equals to 1 and borrow equals to 1. Next 0 minus 1, here are the same condition. 0 minus 1 అంటే I have to set borrow equals to 1. I have to set borrow equals to 1 and the difference is 1 and 1 minus 0, again the difference is 1. That 0 minus 1 is I have set borrow equals to 1, difference is 1, I got the 1 and 1 minus 0, again 1. therefore this is 1 1. Next 0 minus 1 అని జాగ్రత్త చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ క్లారిఫై అవుతుంది. 0 minus 1 I have to set borrow equals to 1, therefore we got borrow this 1 0 అంటే 2 2 minus 1 1. We got the difference of these two na ఈ రెండిటికి ఏమొచ్చిందని, the result of these two is I got the as 1. Again 1 minus 1 ఏమవుతుందన్న 0. 1 minus 1 is again I have to subtract with 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. చూడండి 0 minus 1 అంటే borrow సెట్ చేసుకున్నాం, difference ni we got the 1, and 1 minus 1 we have to make 0. This is 0. This is for this thing. Straight ga rasthanu 0 and 1. Next 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Difference is 1. Borrow is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Difference 0. Borrow 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0. 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 is borrow 1. Difference 1. Borrow 1. Difference 1. ನಾನು ఎవరికైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి. ನಾನು డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమొచ్చిందని 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. And similarly borrow. Therefore I am writing the difference equals to sigma of m. What are the min terms now? If you verify the min term 1 2 4 7. 1 2 4 7. The min terms are 1 2 4 7 for difference. Similarly for borrow, sigma of m, what are the min terms now? The min terms are 1 2 3 7. 1 2 3 7. 1 2 3 7. These are the min terms now. నా సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ అర్థమైందా? ఎక్కడికైనా రిపీట్ చేయాలా? ఎక్కువ మంది కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యారు ఇక్కడ, ఈ కండిషన్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. నేను మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నా చూడండి. 0 1 1. 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 అంటే I have to set the borrow equals to 1. 2 minus 1, the result equals to difference is 1. ఈ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే డిఫరెన్స్ 1 వచ్చింది. Again I have to perform the subtraction of 1 minus 1. The difference is 0. Therefore the difference is 0. Okay, this is the condition. ఈ కండిషన్ రాబట్టి మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. మీకు రిమైనింగ్ కండిషన్స్ లో ప్రాబ్లం రాదు. చాలా మంది మిస్టేక్ ఇక్కడే చేస్తారు. ఓకే, we have got the output boolean expression, that is sigma of m 1 2 4 7 for 1 2 4 7 for difference, and borrow 1 2 3 7 for borrow. Now we need to write the boolean equation. We have to minimize the boolean equation by using k-map. K-map తీసుకొని minimize చేయండి. I am taking the k-map to minimize the boolean equation. See, for 3 variable we are having the, I need to take 4 k-map like this. What are the inputs? A B C. A B C అని తీసుకుంటున్నాను. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. What are the min terms? 1 2 4 7. See, there is no mapping. Therefore we can write this expression as D equals to, even writes in the mapping వచ్చినప్పుడు we can write this as A exclusive or B exclusive or C. Difference output and some outputs are same now. Difference output and some outputs are same now. Difference output and some outputs are same. Then expand చేసి రాసుకోవచ్చు. min terms రాసిన అదే వస్తుంది. If you write the min terms, you can write the min terms are A B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar plus A B C bar, sorry, A bar B bar C bar plus A B C. These are the min terms now. 1 2 4 7. 1 2 4 7. Similarly, if you find the k map for borrow, k map for borrow తీసుకోనండి k map. Borrow and simplify చేయడానికి I'm taking the k map for borrow. The inputs are A, B, C. In terms of 1 2 3 7. 1 2 3 7, and the equation will be equals to, I have to map these two, and these two. Therefore I can write the borrow output BA equals to ఏమవుతున్నాను ఇవి రెండు చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది ఏ బార్ సి ప్లస్ ఈ రెండు చేసినప్పుడు ఏ బార్ బి ప్లస్ ఈ రెండు చేసినప్పుడు బిసి, ఏ బార్ సి, ఏ బార్ బి అండ్ BC. This is the equation for borrow. That is, we got the two equations done. What are the two equations? By using these two equations, we have to realize the circuit using basic gates, circuit using XOR gates, circuit using NAND gate and NOR gate. NAND gates and NOR gates are realize cheyali. First I am going to basic gates మీరు realize చేయండి. Realize full subtractor using basic gates. Take a small gap nana, basic gates AND gate, OR gate, inverter to realize cheyna. Sum ni carry borrow ni. So difference ni borrow ni realize using basic gates. That is your work na. Chinnada got me cheyandi. Realize using basic gates. Basic gates to realize cheyandi. What are the gates nana? AND gate, OR gate, inverter. Ee three fault koni realize the difference and borrow circuit diagram. Take a small page gap. మీ notes లో కొంత gap తీసుకుని complete చేయండి. Now I will realize the same circuit. Using NAND gates and NOR gates. NAND gates and NOR gates realize చేస్తాను. Okay. Before that, I will realize full subtractor using two half subtractors. Full subtractor using two half subtractors. So we go diagram చూపించిన తర్వాత we will realize the remaining things. Okay. I am writing two expressions here for clarity. Difference ఏంటన్నా A exclusive or B exclusive or C, and borrow equals to A bar B plus A bar C plus BC. A bar B plus A bar C plus BC. By using these expressions, we are going to realize the remaining things. First one, take side rating. Realize full subtractor using two half subtractors. Realize full subtractor using two half subtractors. That is, I am taking two half subtractors. The input for this is A and B, and now first stage this is borrow the difference. Borrow difference. The first stage borrow we call this as A bar B. Half subtractor borrow A bar B, and the difference is A exclusive or B. Now I am taking one more half subtractor here. I am taking one more half subtractor. I am connecting this one input. Internally this is A and B, half subtractor. I am connecting this, and the second, for full subtractor we have one more input Cin. The Cin is connected to this. Cin is connected to the second half subtractor. Okay. As we know, here we get the difference and we have written the borrow and difference. Borrow and A bar B. Here in place of this we have A exclusive or B. That is, we call this as X and Konan. Then X into X bar C. or simply we can write this as A exclusive or B bar into C. That is the bar none. Try to simplify that. Next, we need to generate the this is the x into C in x bar into C in this is, and the difference is equals to x exclusive or C in. That is the difference. We can write the difference equals to difference D equals to A exclusive or B exclusive or C in. A exclusive or B exclusive or C in. Now we need to combine the first stage borrow and second stage borrow to an OR gate to realize the final stage borrow. That is, I am taking one OR gate to OR gate. This is the final stage borrow. This is connected here, and similarly, this is connected here. That is the final stage borrowing. Therefore, from this borrow output BA, we can write this as A bar B plus X bar into C. A bar B plus X bar ante A exclusive or B complement C. And this will be, if you simplify this function, this equals to A bar B. Complement of this will be equals to A exclusive nor B C in. You can write this as A bar B plus A bar B bar plus AB into C in. If you simplify this function, this will be equals to A bar B plus A bar B bar C in plus AB C in. Finally, for final simplification, the simplification will be equals to borrowed. If you simplify in the previous methods like this, A bar B plus this will be equals to A bar C in plus this will be equals to B C in. B C in. Using simplification now vadukochu. Lekapothe ikkada missign term entana, the missign letter is C. You can, sorry, I am writing C in continuously. C and write C in kaadu C. Only C na. A bar B bar C. Okay. Money. Full subtractor of the inputs are A, B, C. Full subtractor using two half subtractors now. If you simplify this, this will be equals to the final bar out, and this will be the final difference. Difference equals to A exclusive or B exclusive or C. Full subtractor using two half subtractors now. Now, in place of this half subtractor, we are going to add NAND gate diagram. In similarly, NOR gate diagram. Next time, we are going to realize full subtractor using NAND gates now. NAND gate ante cheppanu, half subtractor NAND gate diagram. Take the diagram, place the diagram here now. Similarly, here also place the NAND gate diagram here, half subtractor, and replace OR gate with a NAND gate. That will be converted into complete NAND gate now. Similarly, to realize using NOR gate, replace half subtractor by using NOR gate. Half subtractor NOR gate diagram draw chesam. A half subtractor NOR gate diagram replace cheyandi two blocks and replace OR gate with an OR gate. Then the circuit will be converted into NOR gate. Okay. Note this one. And ikkada realization already manam full adder ki 2 times chesanu. Same method done. This will be equals to borrow out now. That will be equals to borrow out. Okay. Now we are going to realize full adder, the full subtractor using NAND gates. Take side heading. Realize full subtractor using NAND gates. full subtractor using NAND gates. And chala easy na half subtractor place we are going to replace half subtractor with NAND gates. ఆ డయాగ్రామ్ తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను. మీకు తీసుకోవాల్సిన మెజర్ ఏంటంటే 2 టైమ్స్ కూడా ఫిగర్ జాగ్రత్తగా వేసిన తర్వాత కనెక్షన్స్ ఇవ్వండి. కనెక్షన్స్ ముందే ఇవ్వకండి. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ డ్రాయింగ్ ఫస్ట్ half subtractor using NAND gate one time, half subtractor using NAND gate one time. Okay, so realize half subtractor we need 5 NAND gates. 5 NAND gates అనేది ఆ NAND gate డ్రా చేయండి. సేమ్ XOR gate డయాగ్రామ్ వస్తుంది. NAND gate, NAND gate, one more NAND gate, one more NAND gate. Okay, the same construction ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. These two are shorted and this is connected to here. We are having the one input here, A, B, and these pins are connected together, and these outputs are connected to the NAND gate 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the output of NAND gate 4 is, you know, A exclusive or B. Same structure మళ్ళీ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను. ఏం మార్చట్లేదు. I'm taking the same structure. NAND gate, NAND gate, one more NAND gate. Same connections ఇచ్చాను. Connections name మీరు we are getting the 2 connections now. Here, if you observe, this is connected to the NAND gate number 5, 6, 7, 8, and the second pin will be equals to C in or C. This is the borrow. A, B, C. The third pin of the full subtractor is C. This is connected here, and the same pin is connected here. Similarly, this is connected here. And ఇక్కడ ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేసామో ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ అంతే కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. This is C, and this output will be equal to the difference output A exclusive or B exclusive or C. ఎందుకన్నా, if you consider this as X into C, this will be equal to X exclusive or C. X exclusive or C. Now we need to generate borrow. What is the output of at this stage? This stage the output ఏమవుతుంది? We know A into B, that's right, A bar into B whole bar. The output of NAND gate 3 now. A bar into B whole bar, or simply we can write this as A plus B bar now. Okay, here we are connecting C now, and C into direct connect చేస్తాం. Now the difference is generated. We need to generate the borrow. Borrow is generated from the NAND gate 3 and NAND gate 7. NAND gate 3 నుంచి కూడా borrow వచ్చింది. Actually, this is the borrow half subtractor. NAND gate 3 to NAND gate 7, we are taking one connection and we are generating the borrow. That is, we are taking one more NAND gate at this point. The one input is taken from this point, and the second input is taken from this point. These two are connected to generate your borrow, to generate the borrow output. Try to simplify that now. If you simplify that, you will get the same answer. జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. At this point, this will be equals to a plus b bar, and this is, what is this one? If this is a and b, we got the a plus b bar, and similarly here ఏమవుతుందని, this is also you get the same x into c nan, ఏమవుతుందని x into c, x bar x plus c bar, this will be equals to x plus, sorry, c bar, x plus c bar. We are applying to the NAND gate, this input and this input, that will be equals to, at this stage the output will be equals to x plus c bar into a plus b bar whole bar. Apply De Morgan's law, x plus c bar whole bar plus a plus b bar whole bar, this will be equals to x bar into c plus a bar into b. What is x bar nana? C, the same function వస్తుంది. X bar into a exclusive or b complement c into a bar b, same derivation, same derivation. Here we have generated a plus b bar, a input and b input. This is the half subtractor NAND gate 3 దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకున్నాం. Similarly, second half subtractor NAND gate 7 దగ్గర చెక్ చేసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుందా, if the input is x and c, you get the x plus c bar. We are connecting this to the NAND gate 9. NAND gate 9 connect చేసాను. Therefore, if you simplify this function, the function will be equals to borrow. This is the final borrow. Final borrow. Note this one. Similarly, realize full subtractor using NOR gates. Full subtractor using NOR gates. Full subtractor using NOR gates. Half subtractor using NOR gate first draw చేసుకోవాలన్నా దాన్ని 2 times repeat చేయాలి. For half subtractor using NOR gates, it requires 5 NOR gates. Half subtractor using NOR gates, it requires 5 NOR gates. Same as NAND gate లోనే వస్తుంది. ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ ఆర్ ఎలా వచ్చిందో సేమ్ అదే ఫార్మాట్ లో వస్తుంది. First NOR gate, second NOR gate, third NOR gate, fourth NOR gate, and fifth NOR gate, which is acting as an inverter. This is your half subtractor using NOR gates. B input, A input, NOR gate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is half subtractor using NOR gate. Now draw 2 times now. Same diagram 2 times draw చేయండి. Identify where we are taking the borrow now. We have taken the borrow from the NOR gate 2. NOR gate 2 ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది, this will be equals to A bar B. This is A bar B. NOR gate 2 output is A bar B. Similarly, we have to take the borrow output of the second also. And taking the same second stage NOR gate, the first NOR gate, am connecting this NOR gate, this is 6th NOR gate, and the second pin we are connecting this as C, A, B, C. I am repeating the same diagram now. Same diagram draw chestunnan. NOR gate, NOR gate, NOR gate, and this is connected to an inverter, which is designed using NOR gate. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have to connect this one. Because A నుంచి ఎలా అయితే కనెక్ట్ అయిందో సేమ్ at this point I am taking one connection, this, and similarly we have given the C, and this is the C. 2 NOR gates, 2 half subtractors complete అయిపోయింది. Now we need to make the connections now. జాగ్రత్తగా కనెక్షన్స్ ఇవ్వాలి. We need to take half adder లో half subtractors borrow from the NAND gate, NOR gate 2, similarly borrow from the NOR gate 7. See, what is the output at the 5 nana? Output at the across the 5 will be equals to A exclusive or B. At this stage, the output will be A exclusive or B. Consider this as X in X and Konan. This is your X and C. This will be equals to X exclusive or C. This is difference output. A exclusive or B exclusive or C. This is your difference generated. Since if it is X here, see, ఇక్కడ A అయితే ఏమొచ్చిందని A bar B వచ్చింది NOR gate 2 నుంచి. A అయితే A bar B. Similarly, this is X అయితే ఏమవుతుంది X bar. This will be equals to X bar C. NOR gate 7 దగ్గర చెక్ చేసుకుంటే if A and B, this is A bar B, X and C, X bar C. Now these two bar outputs are connected. These two bar outputs are connected, and we have realized that a half subtractor OR gate. OR gate is replaced by 2 NOR gates. That is, I am going to take the connection from this point. This point is this one, 1, and from this connection, we are taking 1 NOR gate and one more NOR gate to generate borrow. See now, this is A bar B, this is X bar C. This will be equals to A bar B plus X bar C whole bar. See, equation we have to eliminate the complement. Complement eliminate the borrow, this will be equals to A bar B plus X bar C. The simplification is here now. Simplification is same. మీరు జాగ్రత్త వన్ టైం సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేయడం వస్తే యూ కెన్ రిమెంబర్ ద స్టెప్స్. ఈ స్టెప్స్ కామన్. ఫుల్ సబ్ట్రాక్టర్ యూజింగ్ 2 half subtractor. This is my first half subtractor, this is my second half subtractor. We have to identify where we are getting the borrow. The borrow is generated from the half subtractor at the NOR gate 2. Similarly, second half subtractor borrow ekkadi nunchi vastundi. These borrows are connected with an OR gate. OR gate is replaced by NOR gate. Okay, with this we have completed the full address. Address of full adder, full subtractor, half adder, half subtractor complete chesana. With this we have completed the address. Ante ikkada 1 bit addition ela cheyalo check chesana. With this we have completed how we are going to perform 1 bit addition of size A and size B using full adder and half adders. హాఫ్ యాడర్స్ లో అయితే క్యారీ అనేది ఉండదు, ఫుల్ యాడర్స్ లో అయితే క్యారీ కూడా యాడ్ చేస్తాం. ఫుల్ సబ్ట్రాక్టర్ లో మనకి బారో ఇన్ వస్తుంది, హాఫ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టర్ లో దెర్ ఇస్ నో బారో, ఓన్లీ ఏ అండ్ బి ఆర్ సబ్ట్రాక్టెడ్. అనే డౌట్స్ నేను ఇక్కడ దాకా టిల్ నౌ ఇస్ దేర్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్? మీరు సింపుల్ గా రిమెంబర్ చేసుకున్నాను. మీరు ఫుల్ యాడర్ ఉన్నా సరే 2 half యాడర్స్ తో రియలైజ్ చేయడం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Full subtractor and 2 half subtractors are realized. This is your 1 half subtractor. This is your second half subtractor. ఆ రెండు మీకు గుర్తుంటే ఈజీగా అయిపోతుంది. డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? మన ఫుల్ సబ్ట్రాక్టర్ యూజింగ్ బేసిక్ గేట్స్ మీరు కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. బేసిక్ గేట్స్ తోని ఎక్స్ఆర్ గేట్స్ తో మీరు కంప్లీట్ చేయండి, అది ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఫుల్ యాడర్ ఎలా అయితే చేసామో ఫుల్ సబ్ట్రాక్టర్ కూడా అలానే చేయాలి. And these steps are common now. These steps are common. Now in the next class we are going to see binary adders, or it is also called as parallel adder. ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను ఏం చేశాను, ఓన్లీ 1 బిట్ అడిషన్ మాత్రమే చేశాను. 1 బిట్ అడిషన్ యూజింగ్ హాఫ్ యాడర్ తో ఎలా చేయాలి, ఫుల్ యాడర్ తో ఎలా చేసామో చూస్తాను. సిమిలర్లీ 1 బిట్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ కూడా హాఫ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టర్ అండ్ ఫుల్ సబ్ట్రాక్టర్ తో వెరిఫై చేస్తాను. నౌ వి నీడ్ టు పెర్ఫార్మ్ n బిట్ అడిషన్. అంటే n బిట్ బైనరీ యాడర్ కావాలి. I need to specify n bit. That is, if I want to perform 4 bit binary addition, 4 bit binary addition చేయాలి. ఎందుకని? If I want to perform the 4 bit binary addition, how the circuit can be realized? The circuit is realized using the same full adders and half adders. Binary adder చేయాలన్నా parallel adder చేయాలన్నా సరే, I have to take the help of this adders only. అంటే ఇప్పుడు దాకా మనం చూసిన హాఫ్ అడ్రస్ ఫుల్ అడ్రస్ యొక్క స్ట్రక్చర్ తీసుకొని చేస్తున్నాం. నౌ ఐ యామ్ టేకింగ్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇక్కడ ఏమి డిస్కస్ చేయట్లేదు, జస్ట్ డిస్కస్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హౌ ద అడిషన్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్. ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు యాడ్ ద బైనరీ బిట్స్ A3, A2, A1, A0 with B3, B2, B1 and B0. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను, ఐ వాంట్ టు పెర్ఫార్మ్ ద అడిషన్. 1011 ని 1110 తో అడిషన్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఐ వాంట్ టు పెర్ఫార్మ్ ద బైనరీ అడిషన్. బైనరీ అడిషన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎలా చేస్తానో చూద్దాం. ఇఫ్ ఐ పెర్ఫార్మ్ 1 plus 0, sum is 1. I am generating the sum as 1. There is no carry. Carry ఏమి వచ్చిందో, carry is 0. No carry, got 0 carry అని రాశాను. I perform the addition, I got the sum as 1 and carry as 0. These are my sums now. Now I am performing the addition of second bit. This is first position, 2 power of 0 plus 8, 2 power of 1 kochi. 1 plus 1, 1 0. 1 0 ante emutundi malli 0. Sum is 0 and carry. There is 1 plus 1 ante emutundi 1 0. Sum is 1 and carry is, you got the carry here. Again 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 0 0 and sum 1. You got the sum. Again sum వచ్చిందని ఇక్కడ sum 0 వచ్చింది, carry 1 వచ్చింది. 1 plus 1 is 1 0 plus 1, we got 1 1. That is sum 1 and carry is 1. Now here I am performing the 4 bit addition. To perform the 4 bit addition, the first bits now, that is A0 and B0. To perform this addition, A0 B0 1 0. There is no carry, previous carry లేదు కాబట్టి I can realize this circuit. అంటే ఈ సర్క్యూట్ A0 B0 I can realize with respect to half adder చేయొచ్చు, లేక ఫుల్ adder తో కూడా చేయొచ్చు. Assuming carry equals to 0. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండు అడిషన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది, carry వచ్చింది. By performing this addition, I got the sum as S0 and I have generated a carry C0. C0 అంటే ఫస్ట్ carry C0 అనుకుంటున్నా. Sum 0, carry 0. Index numbers 0 100. Next I have performed 1 plus 1 plus carry, A1 plus B1 plus C0. I am performing the addition of these three. This is performed by using a full adder. Full adder addition perform చేశాను. I got the sum as S1 and carry as C1. This is my S0. This is my S1. S1 generated. Again I have performed the addition using full adder. ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ ఇంకో full adder తో addition చేశాను ఈ 3 bits ని. then S2 generate అయింది, carry 2 generate అయింది. Again I have performed the addition with respect to this. This is again by using one more full adder. I have generated sum 3 and carry final stage carry. See, this is your final stage carry. And ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, in order to perform a 4-bit addition, I require 4 full adders. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, హాఫ్ యాడర్ వాడుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోతే క్యారీ 0 అనుకుని ఫుల్ యాడర్ కూడా you can also assume we can this as full adder. That is, I can take 4 full adders or 1 half adder and 3 full adders. Okay. In the next class, we are going to see how we are performing the 4-bit binary addition. అలానే subtraction. 4-bit binary subtraction ఎలా వెరిఫై చేస్తాం చూద్దాం. ఓకే, ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే తర్వాత అడగండి నన్ను.